sorry if the quality is a little crazy. I have so much to catch y'all up on. Hopefully by the time y'all see this, y'all have saw the other vlogs, or I might put it all together. But so catch up really quickly. I got booked on a cruise line. I'm currently working for AIDA Cruises. It's a German-based cruise, so I had to be in Germany to do my training, and then now we are going throughout Europe. So we've been to Copenhagen, we've been to Warnemünde, we've been to Poland, Sweden, just a lot of those places. But we're also going to do a transatlantic cruise, and we'll be in the Caribbean, Spain and stuff like that. Well, Spain's Europe, but yeah, so a lot's been happening. The last 5 weeks have been a whirlwind, and I've tried my best to vlog some things, but it's been very hard because it's been a lot of new material that I've been learning, and I want to do my best, so that's been like my first priority. But I did make sure to get some footage of us rehearsing for the 5 weeks, some of my screw ups and all of those things. Okay, y'all, it is embarkation day. I'm officially boarding the boat today, so I'm very, very excited. I'm nervous too, but I'm trying not to think so much about that because it will be what it's gonna be like. So, yes. At 7:45, or that's what time he's coming or leaving. I don't know, but I'm gonna be out there earlier, child, because I don't know how to play it. So this is it for all of y'all who are seeing this. Make sure you be praying for me, and I'm going to show you more once we get to AIDA. This is my room. Don't mind the bags, guys. It's empty now. Ooh, I need some. Okay. So here is the closet. I got a lot of clothes. The life jacket. Somebody left this stuff here. This is good. I can store things. Come in. Oh. Hey, boo. Cute.
This is the crew bag. And it's
I'm awful. Like, look at me.
Girl, you look fine. You're gorgeous. Stop. Has nothing to do with clothes.
You go down to that one.
Okay.
And here, there's a door where you can get like look
Yes. Oh my gosh. Yeah, okay. Wow. This is gorgeous. Like,
yeah.
whoa. Look at those mountains. Man, I would literally, once it's dry, just be sitting up here meditating.
Yeah, you will. So this is the pool. And
Right.
there's like a balcony where you can go and like watch the sunsets. Yeah.
Give a Titanic moment. Wow, that is gorgeous. Y'all see that? Look at it. Guys, I am ready for breakfast. And then I'm going to come back and I am going to rehearse some of my songs, and then I have a rehearsal at 10. And then I'm rehearsed with the cast at 11:30. So let's get it, baby. Crazy, but I have not been able to vlog at all. It has been non-stop since I got here. My first day, I had rehearsals, and it's just been quick from there. So we have a run today. I'm sorry, I look really crazy, but we have a run today. So pray for me for that. It's with everything. So yeah, hopefully it'll be good. I'm gonna try to show you guys some stuff. Let's see. Ugh. This is like the dressing area. This is like a view of the stage. So this is like what we see. Well, what? Yeah. And that's the current cast outfits. And yeah. Okay. So I just got my costume fitting. Hold up, let me try to put yours somewhere. Okay. So yeah, this is for one of the shows. It's good. We have a run tonight. Not of this show, but of their show. This is stunning. Wow. Just finished our first run.
Mommy, I love you. Thank you.
Fine, we are removing the makeup. We just had our run.
Yeah.
Oh.
But like, are you going to do work first?
What video?
This video.
After the fact, we're going through some bags.
I need to trim again.
I didn't vlog any of this.
Yes, you need to.
The ladies are taking their faces down.
Sorry. To elbow me in the face again. With one boot on. Is it okay?
I'm a shoulder you can cry on. Your best friend, I'm the one you must rely on. Ooh, wait. Oh no. Just got done. Ooh. Nice break for the day. So we are off the boat. I'm very excited, y'all. I haven't been able to vlog anything because we've been in rehearsal for so much. So we outside. We is outside.
Now I'm like, I'm enjoying it, but I'm not ready. Like, this is beautiful.
Hey, we walking somewhere to get.
I know to tell you I'm just kinda reason not to go out every evening. I need someone that will help me. Because someone besides myself. And someone I leave to the front door. We wanna hide no more. Much outside no more. Neither of us wanna put aside no more. No, got alone. Nothing was the same. Get your ass alone. Let me make you say my name.
Gosh. So we are looking for the McDonald's, y'all. Why? Well, why don't we all just go that way? We going to the McDonald's in Denmark. Yes. I'm very excited. I brought a book and everything here. So I was like, oh God, they gonna be looking at me like I'm crazy, but ain't nobody here. So let's go. Ooh, aroma sauna. Damn fun. I think I might do the aroma sauna. But yeah. So guys, I am in the sauna. I'm in here deep conditioning. Somebody will walk in and be like, what is this girl doing? But it feels so good. There's some people in the nude. Wasn't expecting that, but yeah. So this is the sauna. It's really cute and it feels really good and relaxing. I got my book in here. So I might even fall asleep when I'm here. But yes, this is the aroma sauna. So it feels so good.
1,000 times.
Yeah, too many. Why they did this? So many times.
Thank you, Matthias.
Ah, it's too good. Un momento. Oh my god.
Jukebox hero, got stars in his eyes. He's a jukebox hero. He's a jukebox hero, stars in his eyes. So I have not been able to really vlog, but it's the end of the night. I got done rehearsals, I think around 4, which was good. We did dance and vocal, so we have a pretty long day tomorrow. But I'll try to get some stuff, hello, of what we will be doing. So let's see. I just came from Crew Bar. And I forgot to film it. And they were playing Mario Kart. But I was distracted. And then, and yeah, it was fun. It was a nice time. But I gotta go study these lines. I'm tired, yeah, I'm tired.
Ships. You're gonna be here. You are free finishing this. Cha 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 cha. Yes, that's exactly what you just said. You're singing that one. Yeah.
Okay,
And you are on the when she started banana. You stop on the right hip. Banana. Yes, here. So can you come back please? From long view rock and roll. First time. So we're not cross.
So
Yeah.
when we are on
Not
the
cross
box.
yet. Not cross yet. Yes. Here. This is second time, sorry. Sorry. Yes, you sing. Long live rock and roll. Long live rock and roll. Long live rock and roll. Let it live, let it live, let it live. Long live rock and roll. Long live rock and roll. We move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stop and ta 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 ta. Clear. Stop on the right hip. Boom. Like this. Cross on the right. You are free in your regular band. Clear? Can we talk through one more time this song and then do from So we finish.
No.
Like,
After we band.
Rock.
Alright.
Alright.
Pose and pose. And a roll 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the pose and the pose and the pose. And shake 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, run, ta 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 ta. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. I was born to walk alone.
Yes, and have a little free time to not think about what we're doing.
It's so funny.
Take antiseptic and wipe it because after we need to finish the visa.
Game night.
Don't be spinning the sticky balls.
Cannot be spending on sticky balls.
Money all around me, I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was counting out like last week. Send me way have you been?
It's getting in this time. I feel it. It's getting in this time. It's all right. Go. Okay. Our cousin's salty. Me and Zoe, we got it in the cup. Okay, we did that. All right. All right, y'all, let's go. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. You don't have to run. Okay. All right, good. All right, ladies, nice and easy. There you go. Keep it light. Good job. Woo. Nice. Hold on. Ooh, nice and easy. Good. All right, let's go. Go. Yes! Oh, one more. Come on. You got it.
One and two and three and four and five, six, seven. There's no business like show. Ta 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 love. Oh, one ta 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 ta. Oh, one ta 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 ta. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, up, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, up, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Just need to see it.
It's mostly broken. It's behind, it's not behind, it's still visible, but I don't know. Ready?
Нет. Охрана.
Yes.
Puta merda.
This is our last show called Shining Stars, but I got no footage, y'all, so I just showed y'all a little Instagram clip, so enjoy. But we are in premiere week, y'all, and we premiered our first show yesterday, which was Can You Feel It, which is a 80s pop, so it's a lot of Michael Jackson, Jackson 5, stuff like that. And it went well. Like, it went really well. I had a lot of fun. Of course, there's still some things I have to work on. There's some things that aren't that have to get into my body, and it'll get in the more we do it. And there's still some hard songs that are just really pushing me. But eventually, hopefully, I'll grow into them. But today we are premiering our rock show, which is Rock the Concert. And I thought, maybe I can try to vlog the entire day. I'm really going to try. I'm also going to put a reel on my Instagram. So if this don't make it, then that one will. But yeah, I'm going to take you guys throughout the day. We have 2 shows, and this is a really hard sing. Honestly, all of the shows are really hard sings. But yeah, so we have 2 shows of rock. And my prayer, y'all, just be that I don't be crashing and I don't crash and burn. But honestly, y'all, the Lord has really got me through this entire process. He's been faithful, just as he always is. But he's been faithful through the tears that I've cried when, like, I couldn't get the notes, or I felt like I was just so closed. He's been faithful through the moments where I did get it, where it clicked. He's been faithful through the moments where I felt like inadequate or not, that I'm not meant to be here. And honestly, the Lord has blessed me with a cast. A cast that, number one, is so freaking talented, but also so supportive. Like, all of the other singers, it's 4 singers in total, including myself. All of the other singers have done other contracts before. I'm the only one who's new this time. But they, they just showered me with love, with care. They're like, it's okay. It's okay if you miss this. It's okay if you miss that. And so is the dancers. There's only two new dancers. All the rest of the dancers are returning. And they have comforted us, loved us. Like, I couldn't ask for a better cast. They're so fun, so sweet, so supportive. Like, I'm super grateful for all of them. Our music director, like, I thought, I didn't know what coming in, how a musical director was going to be. And she's been, a dream to work with. Like, she's detailed and she's specific, which is great, but it's in a way where it's like, okay, these are the notes, but you'll get it, or let that sink in, let that sit. You're awesome. You can do this. If you think that you're not going to do it, then you're not going to do it. Like, I'm trying not to talk too much, y'all. I'm trying not to make this intro too much, but it's been so much. Okay, y'all, so we did our first show. Went pretty well. There's Glossy. Now we are waiting to do our second show. And yeah, it's going good. So, and so now, at some point I'll give you all a tour, but yeah. Hey y'all, so today we filmed our videos for AIDA Stars, which is like a little introduction video that introduces us as the singers as we go, yada yada. It was real cute, real fun. I did my face, my wig, you know what I mean? And she got cute. I'll see you later, bye. And yeah, you know what I'm saying? She did a little. It's been a minute since I've been able to do it. It's been a minute since I look like this. Like, I be looking kind of, because I be in rehearsals, I be tired, I don't got time. But you know, this is what she do when she do it, when she know how to do it.
No, just be like, I've got 4
Look at them, they look so nice.
I want to
We are celebrating. First time in whatever restaurant this is on this shit.
Can I open this now? Is that what?
Oh my goodness.
You got hungover?
I don't really understand what you wrote, but it's very nice.
You're clever.
Thanks for saying that.
Your handwriting's bad means that you're clever. Because your brain's working really
Okay,
fast.
so that is a Schutzengel, which means he's your personal guardian angel. Oh my god, stop! He will protect you where you go. Good for the keys or things like that.
shouldn't have done this, guys. This is too nice.
Well, we thought if you have to give notes, then
Yes.
you do it in style.
Oh my god, I love this. Oh my goodness.
And it's a bit of a Harry Pottery kind of
I
thing.
love these kind of books.
Yeah, right? You need a good notebook.
Oh, you. Right.
Yes.
Okay. So right, last night.
I don't know what to say. Yeah, it seems that a tough time comes slowly to an end.
You mean real leader? Yes, real leader.
Yes, and the tough time is called Collier. Yeah.
We quite installed all of the shows instead of Augenblick. I'm looking forward for when you are back. I want to thank you all for your energy for the last 6 weeks. It was really easy for me in this time. It was more work for us all for sure. You did amazing. Not only the ensemble, the technician, the dresser, everybody. And first of all, thanks for that. Give yourself and for sure, in 2 days, they are leaving 2 persons. We spent a lot of time with you in the last 6 weeks. I think you both did an amazing job for us all, and yeah, we're really helpful with the cast install and did a great job. Thank you, Emma. And yeah, I'm really looking forward for the next quite 2 months with you together. It's a pleasure to work with you, and for the quite 3 weeks left.
I just said, thought you were saying, you did already today with too long in the prime time.
So much for being so talented. Sorry if it was something like some tough times for you. Thank you so much for supporting us with everything. Thank you so much for taking our issue and every request seriously and give this work. Yes, it was like really much because of you everything worked. Yeah. Thank you technicians for your hard work. Thank you everyone. Stay healthy, take care of each other, have fun, and enjoy your contract.
Thank you.
I mean, this has been my first contract, as you all know, and I've absolutely fallen in love with AIDA and everyone. It's such a wonderful thing to be in the middle of nowhere and to just meet such a wonderful, lovely group of people. And we all get to do what we love and be so passionate. And I've never worked with such a wonderful crew and technical team who are just so passionate and wonderful about what they do. And it's been so lovely. And I mean, you guys have healed my heart in many ways more than you'll ever know. So I just want to say thank you for welcoming me to AIDA, and I really hope that we cross paths.
Can't wait another day.